This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Jim Harbour. Located on the 7th green of Balboa Golf Course, this home, in 2013, underwent a comprehensive remodel. Interior walls, added crown molding, complete gut and renovation of bathrooms and kitchen, new cabinets, new fixtures, new appliances, paint, new wood flooring, electrical and plumbing systems checked, new garage door and opener. 2014, deck replaced and house exterior painted. 2016, new zero threshold master shower, safe room added in garage, dining gazebo added to deck. 2017, new heat pump. 2018, kitchen gazebo added to deck, custom island added in kitchen. 2019, solar screen and shutters. 2022, water heaters replaced, too. For more information